Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to transfer data from your PlayStation 4 over to your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So this is actually really easy to do. First, go ahead and turn on your PlayStation 4 and connect it to your network via a LAN cable. And then do the same thing with your PlayStation 5. Turn it on and connect it with a LAN cable. Now you can actually transfer data using a wireless connection. However, I highly recommend using a LAN cable to speed up the process of transferring your data. Now let's go over to my PlayStation 5. So on the home screen, go up to the top and go over to Settings and select this option. Then scroll down to System. Then go to System Software, go over to the right, and then go down to Data Transfer. Now it says transfer data from your PS4 to your PS5. You can only transfer data you own. You can't transfer other users' data. So transferring data won't remove it from the PS4. Data stored in USB extended storage won't be transferred. Let's go to continue. All right, let's close all games and applications. Now it says to complete the transfer faster, use a wired LAN connection. Now you don't have to use one, however, it's highly recommended. So let's go to continue, and it's searching for your PS4. Okay, so my PlayStation 4 has been found. Now I have to go over to my PS4 that's turned on and press the power button for 1 second until it beeps. So here's my PS4. Let's press the power button. And I heard the beep. Go ahead and let go. And it should bring you to the next screen. Alright, so my trophy information isn't synced with PlayStation Network. After the transfer is complete, it's recommended that you sync your trophies. So let's go to continue. And then all my data already has been transferred to my PS5, so I can't transfer over any of my game data. So let's go to next. However, I can transfer over my games and applications. So I have Rocket League, Grand Theft Auto right here. I have Moss, Thumper, Paper Beast. So let's transfer over something a little bit smaller, like Enter the Gungeon. And if there's another thing that's a little bit smaller as well. So I will only do that one game at 1.55 gigabytes. Let's go to next. So no data will be transferred for step 1. However, for games and apps, I have an estimated time of 1 minute, and my PlayStation 5 will restart after completing the transfer. So let's go to start transfer. And I found it typically gets hung up and it kind of stops around the 90 area before it's actually complete. Alright, so my PlayStation 5 is now restarting. And when it starts back up, my game should be on the home screen. Alright, so here's Enter the Gungeon right on top. So this was quick and easy to do. There is no need to use an external hard drive to transfer your data. You just need to be on the same network. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 and PS5 videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.